clear. That man I thought you can't stand where I stand. Walk where I walk, watch out. Please, my code, we talk about the pump. I know this one's that. You don't like how I act. You came up telling that, but you be doing that. Not the same to you, I will never be you. Be your old girl, telling you wicked over here. Watch out, wanna get popped, be a savior. First show a little respect, change your behavior. Enjoy the code, change your plan. They can never really be justice on stolen land. You really compete to be quiet. With my cards up, you know you wanna follow. Your laws are minimum. You wouldn't even think about looking at the real. It's got to see. We be getting hurt till the time of the party. At the time of the party. At the time of the beat. At the time of the police. At the time of the beat. There is a little truth. Open up your eye while you're checking out the full set. Check the exercise. Take the word overseer. Like a sample. Repeat it very quickly in a true point sample. Overseer. 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 Yeah, all sorts of from overseer. You need a little clarity? Overseer run around the plantation. Overseer is a control of the nation. Overseer can tell you what you're doing. Overseer will put you over just when you pursue it. Overseer has the right to get him. If you protect the overseer has the kill. Overseer on the right to arrest. If you fight back then with a whole layer. They gon' ride horses. After 400 years, got no choices. The police are not little horse. Coming out when I see you walk around with us. I hear it all day, just to make the run of life B-boy today. Hip-hop, yes indeed, hip-hop, MC, DJ, the free law, let's go. At the time of the police, at the time of the beat, at the time of the police, at the time of the beat. Check out the message in the rough styling, the real criminal on the COP. Check out the body, one DG. But just to be a black man, they want to check this. They check out the guns are respect like the sun. Jealous in the black side, I'm trying to force one. Black people still blaze up to today. Black police officers don't see it that way. You want some salary, you want it, so you put on the right and go people for it. My grandfather had to deal with the cop. My great-grandfather dealt with the cop. My great-grandfather had to deal with the... And my great-great-great-great. Stop! At the sound of the police. At the sound of the beat. At